Thank you. Oh. Ako na magtatanong, sir.
Ikaw na.
Oh, okay mo. Okay mo.
Candidate number 1. Oo, ikaw na. Oo.
How do you want to be remembered as a person?
Oh, loko.
Nako.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, if tomorrow I will be dead, I will definitely leave the world. I'll try the world to remember me by giving you all the 3 legacies in life. The first one, ladies and gentlemen, I will plant a tree. Even if I'm already dead, I'll leave Mother Nature someone to nature with. My second legacy, I will give you all my book, entitled Power Review by Attorney Luwan Singh. Although I'm already gone, I will continue educating nurses regarding legalities in nursing profession. And the third one, I'll definitely have my own child because someday, even if I'm already gone, there will be someone who will continue my legacy and spreading happiness all over the world. Thank you.
Bukod lumabas si candidate number 1 dito sa round na to. Tignan natin si candidate number 2. And here now is candidate number 2. Siguro ikaw naman magtanong
Ako na lang, sir.
Okay. Miss Candidate number 2, hace de muerte, que es el recuerdo para...
Sir,
Loko ako! Loko! Loko! Espanyol!
Espanyol ba yun?
Oo, Espanyol. Ako mag-interpret.
Sige, sige. Pakiulit nga, sir. Pakiulit.
Loko lang.
Medyo komplikado.
May subject ako niya dati. Pinuha ko elective. Sige, sir.
Así de
Tignan ko lang kung
muerte.
makasagot pa to.
Okay. Así de muerte, que es su recuerdo para el mundo.
Tandaanin mo lang. Tandaanin mo lang.
Pwede mag-Spanish lang.
Tandaanin mo lang, sir.
Okay. Así de muerte, que es su recuerdo al mundo.
Okay.
What is the cotangent of 48 million? O, punta ka, Matian. Matian!
Ano ba ito, math quiz?
Mahina ka sa math!
Kaya nga ako nag-nursing.
Hindi. Sir, no? If you will die today,
What
what
is
would be your
your
legacy or
Memory
memory
to the world.
to the world? No? Ayan.
Komunalong umanahe. Al creador de mi lengua es como izquierda son recordados.
Ano yun? Ano yun?
How I pay homage to the giver of my tongue is how I want to be remembered. The gift of the art to profess and to educate, which came from God, I will use them till my final hours. With the last stroke of my hand and the last air that fills my lungs, I will educate.
Naku, malakas si Mandy.
That as I breathe my last and enter the haven of the unknown, I live a life that casts the shadow of ignorance. Thank you so much.
Nalilito tuloy ako kung sino ang mas malakas, si number 1 or si number 2.
Let the audience be the one to decide.
Anong gagawin natin? To really
O, lapit na lang kayo tapos
Can you please put
lapit na lang sila.
escort?
Escort. Parang
Dapat malabas na nga, talent pa.
Ayan na, kung sino ang malakas ang palakpak na siya ang panalo. Okay. Okay na?
Okay na, pwede na.
Kaya mag-decide, hindi kami actually may bias. Candidate number...
1.
Malakas ang palakpakan kay candidate number 1.
Grabe, ito parang drop.
Mukhang strong si candidate number 1. Tingnan natin.
Sir.
This time for candidate number 2.